Hi everybody, Anthony with Gearbox. Today we're going to talk about the importance of protective tape and how to install it. First off, we're going to talk about why we want to use protective tape. Protective tape is going to be there to protect the paddle's cosmetics. It has no structural importance to the paddle itself. So by putting this, it's not going to make it more durable. But by putting a piece of protective tape around your paddle, you're going to be able to prevent some chipping of the paint or scratches of the paint. So we offer protective tape in two different sizes. We offer it in a medium, which is a 30 millimeter size, which refers to the width of the tape, and we offered it in a 20 millimeter. This is considered our small. Our 20 millimeter will be used for our solid span technology paddle with no rubber bumper, and our medium tape would be used for a honeycomb paddle. The protective tape is going to come with 3 pieces. You want to take one piece out, that's the piece we'll use, and the other 2 we'll put away for safekeeping in your bag so that you can use them again once this tape gets worn through. So what I like to do right now is take the tape, fold it in half, and I like to make a crease right there so that you know where the middle of the tape is. There's going to be a paper backing that we'll remove. At this point, be careful not to stick the tape onto itself. It's very tacky. If you're not too sure where that middle that you creased, you can crease it once again right now. Put it the back to back together, not the sticky part together, and just do a little crease. Take your paddle, line it up that middle where you referenced and the middle of the tape, and then at this point you'll just drape one side over, and we'll get back to that, and then we'll come to the other side and start placing this tape on. Now on the Gearbox tape, the Gearbox lettering is right in the center, so you want to try and get that right on the center of the paddle. You're going to have about an 1/8 to 1/4 inch overlap, and you just eyeball it all the way down to the side. And as you see, I have a good overlap on both sides. So now you just kind of gently lay it right there like that. And now we'll go to the other side. You can lift it up off. Give it not too much tension where it starts curling, but enough tension that there's no wrinkles, and once you start laying this around your paddle, it'll just lay nice and flat. If you make a mistake like I laid a little too much on this side, you can simply, before you stick it on, just pull it back up and lay it on there. And then just work out any wrinkles that might be there. And now you have your protective tape that's going to protect those cosmetics. Now when you go out on the courts and we're playing on that pickleball surface that's really sandy, and you start scraping it, our protective tape has some thickness to it so that you have some time for wear and tear, and then you'll start seeing the paddle start to break through. At that point, you're going to want to remove the tape and then go get another tape strip. If you have any more questions or want to learn more about the protective tape, you can go to gearboxsports.com. We'll see you guys out on the courts.